So this is Annie.
Hey guys, so today we're at the Food Truck Festival and we have, what is this?
Esquites.
So it's basically like cheese, mayo and corn. No.
Thank you.
No worries. So it's basically cheese, corn and mayo?
Yeah, but it's not sweet corn. It's salty corn.
But I think it's sweet corn.
No, I don't think they will do it with sweet corn. And if they do, they suck.
Or sweet corn.
No.
It's good though.
Yeah? And how about that? What is that?
Tacos.
What is inside?
I don't know. You tell me.
I will tell you. Like this one, it's called chorizo, and this one is just meat. This one is just meat that we call al pastor. This is the most typical
That's chicken?
taco from Mexico. No, it's pork.
Pork and pineapple.
Yeah, they are just a slice of pineapple. And of course, it comes with a lime.
Or Mila says lemon.
Lemon. How you call the green thing? Because it comes with onions and
Oh, cilantro.
cilantro. Yeah. Bite them.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it now. I thought they were gonna be bigger.
How is it?
It's good.
Is the sauce spicy?
A little.
Just the aftertaste, maybe.
What is this again?
That one is chorizo. That one I really like. And it's more spicy because the chorizo itself is a little bit more salty. And with the species.
And now I'm so messy.
Where you put the napkins, Annie? Oh, there. So yeah, just take a look around. We have them for that place. That little place there, it's called Central. And then we're going to eat a little more. Cheers! Chocolate and caramel. So, bon appetit. I will start with the caramel one. Ho ho.
But they never wanna be. Okay, try it. Well, it's so hot, right?
Still hot. What is this at?
I think it's bacon and what are bacon and jalapenos. Are these spicy?
I don't think they're spicy. Ta-da! Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness.
You get taco? Oh my god. Every time Alicia has grilled cheese, I'll get so jealous and date. I have them in my pocket. Yo, this is so good. The jalapeno makes it good.
I know, because I told you it's not spicy. It's like vinegary. But look at this. It's deep fried.
No, it's not deep fried. It's all butter.
No worries.
They cook it in like a lot of butter. Salty.
Salty. Do you like pickles?
Yeah. Let's try this mac and cheese.
But it's so funny because every place they have something of Latin culture now. Now even this has jalapenos.
Try this one. It's okay. I think it's gotten the original.
cheese and banana cheese.
So this is delicious. I like the jalapenos.
I don't like the bacon. It is bacon?
Here's bacon.
Look at my hair.
I'm gonna be so full.
My goodness.
Look at the little picture's gonna fall. At least it stopped raining.
It's almost 6.
We're gonna go now. Bye.
All right, so I'm gonna say ready, set, eat, and on eat, you're gonna start scarfing that down, okay? Is everyone ready? You all pumped? All right, ready, set, eat. Let's go. Down in it like a taco over here. Ripping it apart. Let's go, everyone. Like that t-shirt says, calories don't count on the weekend, so no one worry. You said you did some burpees this morning, so it's okay, even if they do. A lot of people seem to be going for the tacos kind of style. Is it a good pizza?
Go.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't talk with your mouth full. Swallow first. Keep eating. We're almost there. We're almost there. Keep going. Let's go, guys. Oh. A lot of full mouths there. Hey, don't talk. Don't talk with your mouth full. Come on, who's in the lead, do we think? This man over here is in the lead. Let's go, let's go. Few more bites, you got this. Seems like it's getting a little windy.
Let's go, Taylor!
Yeah, let's go. There we go, there we go.
Done.